Hey YouTube, see what I am eating today. Today is not just another food day. Today is what I call a financially irresponsible but emotionally necessary decision. Because right now, sitting in front of me is a full Domino's feast. And not just any feast, this is a Ramadan offer special mission. Now, before you guys start judging me in the comments like, bro, why are the prices so cheap? Relax. These are not the regular prices. I got a $1.7 discount because of a Ramadan offer. So technically, I didn't spend money. I saved money. Yes, this is how I justify my life choices. The damage report. Let's talk numbers first. Subtotal, around $8.2. Discount, $1.7. Final damage, $6.6. Now, listen carefully. 4 items for $6.6. At this point, I'm not ordering food. I'm investing in happiness. Unboxing moment. All right, let's open everything slowly, dramatically, like a cinematic food review. Camera zooms in, hands open the box, soft, dramatic music playing. First box opens. Steam comes out like it's a Bollywood entry scene. The smell hits me and suddenly all my life problems disappear. Bills? Gone. Stress? Gone. Gym membership? Never existed. Item 1. Spicy chicken pizza. $4.1. All right, let's start with the main character, the spicy chicken pizza. This is the one that carries the whole order. This is the hero entry slow motion walk item. First look. Visually, it looks good. Not Instagram influencer good, but definitely I'm about to eat this in 30 seconds good. Chicken pieces spread nicely, cheese doing its stretchy thing, crust sitting there like, I hope he doesn't judge me too much. First bite. All right, moment of truth. Bite sound. Oh, okay. That's spice. That actually surprised me. This is not fake spicy. This is not ketchup with attitude spicy. This is real. Okay, I feel something happening. Analysis mode, because we are professionals now. Chicken, good. Not premium, but good enough. Cheese, balanced, not overloaded. Sauce, slightly tangy, works well. Crust, average, but not offensive. This pizza is like that friend who is always dependable. Never amazing, never terrible. Just always there. Funny truth. You know what this pizza reminds me of? That student who always gets B+. Never fails, never tops. Teacher loves him, but nobody remembers him after class. Final verdict. Solid, enjoyable, safe choice. Rating, 7.5 out of 10. Item 2. Spicy chicken mojar zingy. $0.9. Now we enter budget survival mode. Expectation level. Let me be honest. When something costs under $1, you don't expect taste. You expect survival. First look. Small, simple. Looks like it's trying its best. Respect for effort. First bite. Okay. It's spicy, but not in a confident way. More like confused spicy. Like it doesn't know what it wants to be. Snack, meal, side dish, even it's confused. Deep analysis. Chicken, present but shy. Sauce doing most of the work. Bread, just existing. This is not a main character. This is background extra energy. Real talk. This is the kind of food you eat, then open the fridge, then stare inside for 2 minutes, then eat something else. Final verdict. Not terrible, not exciting. Rating 6 out of 10. Item 3. Creamy mushroom mojar zingy. $0.9. Now this one came with 0 expectations. First look, same size, same vibe, but something feels different. I don't know why, but I trust it more. First bite. Wait. Hold on. Why is this actually good? Analysis mode activated. Creaminess, perfect. Mushroom flavor, strong but not weird. Texture, smooth. Balance, surprisingly good. This one has personality. Story time. This is like that quiet guy in class. Never talks, never shows off. Then one day, boom, Topper. Everyone shocked. Final verdict. Unexpected winner of the day. Rating 8.0. Item 4. Keema Blast Pizza. $2.3. Now, the final boss. First look. Looks promising. Looks powerful. Name says Blast, so expectations high. First bite. Wait. Where is the blast? Analysis mode. Keema, present but not impactful. Flavor, mild. Excitement, missing. This is not a blast. This is a notification sound. Honest reaction. I expected fireworks. Got a candle. Final verdict. Decent, but disappointing. Rating 6.5 out of 10. Final scoreboard. Let's summarize everything clearly. Spicy chicken pizza, 7.5 out of 10. Spicy chicken mojar zingy, 6 out of 10. Creamy mushroom mojar zingy, 8 out of 10, trophy winner. Keema Blast Pizza, 6.5 out of 10. Overall experience. For just $6.6 after a $1.7 Ramadan discount, this is actually a very good deal. But again, these are not regular prices. This is Ramadan offer magic. What would I reorder? Creamy mushroom zingy, definitely. Spicy chicken pizza? Safe choice. Others? Only if I'm hungry and emotional. So, yeah guys, today we learned something important. Discounts make food taste better, expectations destroy happiness, and mushrooms can surprise you. Right now, my stomach is full, my brain is confused, and my diet is officially canceled. If you enjoyed this real, funny, no-filter food review, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next food adventure. Pizza Flame.